What's wrong, Lily? Lily? Did the doggy? Did the doggy? I love you. Hi, how are you? Hi. Hello, what's your name? Your name is Baby? Hi. Hello. What's wrong? You want to kiss Grandpa? Hmm? What's wrong? Oh, not my buttons. Not my buttons. He likes buttons. They're not good to eat.
He's still going for it.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Where did you get that one from?
Same owner.
I know who.
El hijo Camacho.
Oh, okay. That one too.
Camacho's son? Yeah. Both of them. And Blue. Blueberry? Yeah. Hello, I love you.
Did he take care of the birds like you?
Yeah, he loved birds a lot. He thought that I lived in Cleveland when he gave it to me. When he found out that I live in Lorraine, he go, oh my God, he knew you live so far. But I called him the other day, I told him that I put him on YouTube. Right? Did he see you? Right? No.
So he knows you're on YouTube?
Yeah, I tell him that I put some videos on YouTube. He's loved these birds a lot. That man used to clean those kitchens every day. You know, like the kitchens, sometimes they poop on the side a little bit. He'd come and clean it. He'd clean the dinner every day.
So he was more cleaner than you.
Oh, yes. I just love birds. Right? He reminded me more like my son Noel.
Yeah.
He's always cleaning. I think his father got the same one as this one here. Camacho. And that one's a boy. Say hello, Grandpa. Hello, Grandpa Sergio.
We don't have any idea what happened. Got it?
Lily.
You always do. This is Barstow all over again.
Lily. Lily.
For the dying victim.
Lily.
Look at her. Must have taken 3 guys.
Lily.
Check the house and
Lily, wanna take my buttons?
you've seen what happened to the father.
Lily, not the buttons.
We need to find out.
Lily wants to eat buttons. He's hungry, I gotta take him back. You want me to take him back? You wanna stay alone? You wanna take him back? Huh? You wanna help me take him back?
You're not
Huh? Lily, Lily wants to take you back. You want to go back home? You want to go back to your cage? Hello, baby.
I'm not gonna let anybody hurt you. It's okay. Come on.
Lily, Lily, look, I'm with baby. Lily, look. Lily, Lily. No. Hello. Lily, Lily. Lily, Lily, what's wrong? What's wrong, Lily? What's wrong?
Oh my God, my penis. No, the lizard. Gotta be around.
Talk to Grandpa. You could turn my ears. What happened? What happened, Lily? Lily, what happened? He's cute. You see that? You're cute. Say, I love you.